In a shocking turn of events, a seasoned nurse has tragically lost his life while on a work-related trip. Good evening. I'm reporting from New Amsterdam, Berbice, where a public health nurse was found unresponsive in his hotel room. The deceased is identified as Wilton Longford Ben, a 63-year-old nurse from Georgetown. Ben was in Berbice on a work trip with a colleague to oversee the administration of the new HPV vaccine. According to his colleague, Holly Trim, they had checked into the Parkway Hotel and were staying in separate rooms. Trim said, "We were both exhausted from the long journey. I remember checking on him that evening, and he seemed fine. But then, the next morning." Trim said she tried to wake Ben but received no response. She called for help, and hotel staff forced entry into his room. Unfortunately, it was too late. Emergency medical personnel arrived but were unable to revive Ben. The police were also called, and they found no signs of foul play. A police officer said, "We're conducting a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding Mr. Ben's death. We're awaiting the results of a post-mortem examination." The news of Ben's death has sent shockwaves through the healthcare community. He was a dedicated professional who was well respected by his colleagues. This tragic incident raises concerns about the health and safety of healthcare workers, especially those traveling for work. We will continue to follow this story and provide updates as they become available.